If you needed a phone, I'm sure you know where you can get one and for an affordable price. Well, in landlocked Mali, it's the same. The country's capital city, Bamako, is home to a bustling phone market with hundreds upon hundreds of dealers. The market is a job engine in this country that has a bit of crisis. Take a look.
Anyone looking to buy a cell phone in Mali's capital, Bamako, will likely head straight to the marché de téléphone. No one knows exactly how many dealers and workshops there are here, but it's somewhere around 2,000, crowded together along the road. Mamadou Camara sells new smartphones at his stall. He says the place isn't as full as it used to be. The crisis in the country is making our business worse. People have less money, and if they do have money, they buy other things, not phones. Mali is one of the poorest countries in the world. But mobile network coverage reaches almost 100% of the population. Anyone who can afford one has a cell phone. Opposite Mamadou's, there's a stand for second-hand phones. Business is better there. Modibo Haidara has already checked out a few dealers, but hasn't found the right one yet. I'm looking for a second-hand phone. Firstly, I don't have much money. And secondly, this street is the best place to get second-hand phones. Ibrahim Haidara, no relation, has a small range of things, but mainly used iPhones. They're more expensive, but they look impressive, and they're a lot cheaper than the new ones across the way. The iPhones come from the US or France. People often trade their old ones in, so I buy them after they've been repaired. The repairs are done in one of the yards along the road. It's where Adama Sidibé has his workshop. Cracked screens and broken circuit boards, even the most hopeless cases are brought back to life here. A repair costs the equivalent of 80 cents to 20 euros, depending on the job. I repair all brands, Samsung, iPhone, Android. But it's only possible if I can get the replacement parts here in Mali. Locked phones are also taken care of in the repair shops. Suleiman Sidibé has programs that can get any phone up and running again. A customer brought an iPhone 7 to me because it had a security code and therefore it didn't work. I'll decode it now and install a new system, then it'll work again. The marché de téléphone provides thousands of jobs in Bamako. And despite the country's crisis, these jobs are relatively secure, as Africa's cell phone market is the fastest growing in the world.
What is the first thought that comes to mind when you hear someone bought a phone with a password? Let me know in the comments section below, please. I'm looking forward to getting your thoughts. But focusing on another aspect is how clever young people are. They see a problem and they already know how they could try and resolve it. Incredible. Now, to watch more videos of inspiring things young people are doing across the continent, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification icon to be among the first ones to watch new content. Till next time, goodbye.